how to keep all your subscriptions on YouTube private. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to keep all your subscriptions on YouTube private, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here on the YouTube, click on it and go down until you will find the settings option down here. Click on settings and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options. Choose the privacy option right here. Click on privacy and you will find the option of subscriptions private. Turn it on so your subscriptions become private, and if you want them to become public, just turn it off like this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.